ये तो आपका पासपोर्ट है. गेटिंग ए एमबीए डिग्री इज जस्ट अ पासपोर्ट. ये बोलते हैं ना पासपोर्ट है. फिर वीजा कहाँ लेना, इट्स एंटायरली अप टू यू. इट इज ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन. आपको अमेरिका का वीजा मिलेगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मिलेगा. आई एम टू से जॉब, आई एम कोरिलेटिंग दिस विद द जॉब. सो once you get a passport, like once you get the MBA degree, all of you are equal. सिर्फ आपको कहाँ कौन से देश में एंट्री मिलेगी, आई एम टू से विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, डिपेंड्स ऑन all your internal skill, the skill set which you are going to acquire, right? So this is how you are supposed to act in a class, interact in a class. And in fact these online classes are very handy, let me tell you. इसके अपने limitations है, drawbacks है, but still this is a very good platform. और आने वाले दिनों में I do not know how many of you are aware, but new education policy says that your classes has to be 50-50, 50 online, 50 offline. And that this policy was framed before the COVID started. Now they are firm, they want it to be 30-70, 70 online and 30 offline. And UGC has even granted a permission to many good universities to run their classes entirely online, 100% online, because they know this is very convenient. It saves your time, it saves your money in terms of commuting from one place to another. It saves your energy, and it saves your it gives you flexibility also, because you can learn at any point of time. Like Swayam, you must have enrolled yourself. Swayam is such a good platform where you can study at any point of time. आपको सुबह नींद खुल जाती है 4 बजे, तो आप 4 बजे पढ़ सकते हो. आपको लगता है कि नो, आई डू इट समवेयर after I finish off with my dinner. You can do it 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, no matter whenever you are free. Assignments, you have that flexibility. And this is how the learning is going to start henceforward. आगे जमाना इसका ही रहने वाला है. आप बोलोगे टिपिकल जो पिक्चर्स में, मूवीज में दिखाया जाता था, कॉलेजेस लाइक 3 इडियट वी हैव सीन एंड ऑल दोस मूवीज. बहुत पुराने भी काफ़ी पिक्चर्स है, पर्टिकुलरली ऑन कॉलेजेस. बट वो ऑफलाइन मोड अभी शायद ही आ पाएगा. I can guarantee that, because most of the good universities and good institute, they have started their online classes, and they are emphasizing on that, because places like Mumbai, it's very difficult for students to communicate, especially in this COVID. So students are finding it comfortable, faculties are finding it comfortable. All you have to do is you have to start interacting. और बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, लेट मी टेल यू. ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन में बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. इनफैक्ट दिस एक्ट एज इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म. इनफैक्ट इफ यू जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट, इफ यू गेट योर सेल्फ यूज टू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, देन लर्निंग इज वेरी इजी. इनफैक्ट इट इज फार बेटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ लर्निंग. सेल्फ लर्निंग मोड जो बोला जाता है पीजी में, पर्टिकुलरली एमबीए, ऑल प्रोफेशनल कोर्स, पीजी इज सेड टू बी सेल्फ लर्निंग मोड. यहाँ पे आपका you have to learn many things on your own. Fine, we as a teacher are always there to guide you out, but self learning पहले से ही था. Forget about co-ed, forget about online. All PG courses used to be self motivated sort of courses, जहाँ पे आपको पढ़ाई के लिए ढकला नहीं जाता था. But since you were interested, you are doing PG. क्योंकि ग्रेजुएशन पे भी जॉब मिल जाएगा आपको. ऐसा नहीं कि you will be unemployed, but job won't be of that caliber, and there won't be that much of growth. If you do a professional course like MBA, possibly in 5-10 years time you will be maybe leading one of the organization, or leading one of the department, or leading one of the area of that particular organization. So this what I meant to say is you have to interact. Forget about the subject तो चलता रहेगा, अपन तो पढ़ते रहेंगे इसको. But if you are not going to interact, then you are not going to learn. Let me tell you, without interaction you are not going to learn anything. जब इंटरेक्ट करोगे तो ये आपकी चीज ध्यान में रहेगी. अदरवाइज यू विल बी जस्ट लॉगिंग इन एंड जस्ट पता नहीं अब लॉग करके रियली यू आर देयर और नॉट, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट कंपेल यू टू पुट ऑन योर कैमराज. वी नो ऑल दैट देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद डेटा, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद बैंडविड्थ. सो बट इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल, व्हाई नॉट टू पुट ऑन योर वीडियोज ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दैट गिव्स मी अ कंफर्ट टू मार्क योर अटेंडेंस. ऑल ऑफ यू एग्री विथ मी और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is how I want you to interact. Fine. Anyway, I have posted one NCRT book on our management case study group. How many of you have gone through it? Yes, anybody who has gone through the material? Because two cases I am going to take from that. One will be for your assignment, and other we are going to solve today. Shall I share the screen, and who is going to read it out? Achal, Kunal, who did it last time? I think Achal, you did it. Kalyani, can you read out? I'll share the screen. Yes. Somebody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Achal, okay, fine. See, every time you just voluntarily you come out. Otherwise, I can always name out ki aap padhi, but doesn't look good actually. Okay. And this reading and all this thing is going to improvise your English. I can guarantee that. Okay. You need to build that confidence. You need to bring that courage कि नहीं मैं बोलूँगा गलत हुआ तो चलेगा. Doesn't matter. Okay. So shall we revise what we have done earlier? The steps.
Yes, sir.
The steps.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What I'll do
Yes,
is,
sir.
first of all, I'll share the screen. Okay. I'll share the screen, and after that, we'll just discuss the steps involved. Because see, again, there is no thumb rule to solve any case study. Yeah, somebody has put a comment. I don't know. I'm not able to recall the name of that person, name of the student rather. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay. See, see. This is the feedback I have received. I should not be opening this, but there's nothing to hide. There's no secret. So this many people have given positive, or a few of them are there who have given me like they have not liked the lecture, but they have not given the reason. See, this is for the entire session. 4-5 जो session हो गए उसके लिए है. Almost 60% of you have liked the session. I won't be going into that. I am more concerned with these people. Why they didn't like the lecture? At least they should give it. See, here are your queries and feedback. That no doubt. Somebody has said like, I want a real life case studies. Let me go to that feedback. That person, he's a boy. I am not able to recall the name, but here is the feedback. Just a minute. Take a real time example of case study and teach us how to solve and analyze it correctly. See, that's why I'm saying there is. We'll be discussing on this. This is what he want, a real time example. I think I'll be getting back to him. मुझे उसका नाम है इसमें. I'll be talking. See, nothing wrong in that. You can. आप बता सकते कि real time case study सही है. See, there is nothing like real time case studies. I'm to say ये case study is just to orient your brain, right? To orient your brain towards a problem, towards more effective decision making. So let us go to the steps. See, these steps again, there are no thumb rule for these steps. 7 steps to solve case study. As I said, your first thing is to identify a problem, because problem is there. And in the real life situation, probably many times you do not know what is the problem. So identifying the problem is very difficult. Is very important and difficult as well. Paraphrase the case, यानी आपके वर्ड में आपको दोबारा वो केस लिखनी है. समझ लो ये एक पेज की केस है आपके पास. Like for example, this is the case. It's a simple one para case which we are going to discuss today. It is on entrepreneurship, right? This is the case we are going to discuss. So you have to rewrite this case in your own words. This is what is called as paraphrasing the case, right? Third is to describe the problem and assumptions. Problem to identify कर ले, then you describe what exactly is problem and make an assumption if it is needed. Assumption is not compulsory. See these steps we have already discussed once, twice, thrice. Again, I'll be repeating it every time because you should know the sequence. You should know the sequence exactly how to solve a case. But let me again tell you that there is no thumb rule in real time. Why I have taken that feedback, because he said he want real time cases. In real time cases, this sequence may go in haphazard fashion. You may start. You may do reverse engineering also. You may find out a solution and think what exactly was the problem. So real time cases are very different and difficult than the case we are discussing. But this is more of a real time cases only. जो अपन कर रहे हैं, this may look like fictitious, but this has happened somewhere, right? So this has happened somewhere, and this is why this type of cases are bound to happen again. So after this is possible alternative solution with pros and cons for each solution. You are supposed to find out जितने भी problems आपने ढूंढ के निकाले हैं, like 1 problem, 2 problem, 3 problem, you are supposed to find out alternate solution for each problem. या एक सोल्यूशन दे सकते हैं आप, यू फील लाइक दैट इज द ओनली सोल्यूशन, यू कैन गिव जस्ट वन सोल्यूशन, और यू कैन गिव मल्टीपल सोल्यूशन, और उसमें से आपको सिलेक्ट करना है, यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट पॉसिबल सोल्यूशन. ओके, and then you have to think what was the management theory you have applied, or managerial application kya hai. Whatever solution you have given, whether it was related to motivational theory, whether it was related to leadership theory, whether it was related to a strategy, right, short term, long term strategy, and ultimately you have to conclude by just summarizing and comparing what was the problem, how the action plan on the basis of optimal solution, how the action plan was prepared. This is how you are supposed to conclude in a single para. A single para or maybe two paras. That is more than sufficient. So these are probable sequence. This is how you are supposed to follow. But this again, let me tell you that this is not a thumb rule. Probably if the questions are given at the bottom of the case, then probably the first two things you have to skip, because you don't have to identify a problem that is already identified in term of the questions. Right, questions given at the bottom, the way we are going to solve today. Right, paraphrase करने की भी जरूरत नहीं, because it is not needed. You are supposed to directly solve the questions. So these two steps you can skip if the questions are given at the end of the cases. You can directly start from here, because the question itself is a problem which is described. You can make few assumptions if you want to. Otherwise, directly you can jump to this fourth step, just by mentioning what are the probable solutions and what are the pros and cons. Do all of you follow what is pros and cons? Pros and cons का क्या meaning होता है? Anybody? What is the meaning of
positive and negative?
Positive and negative, advantages, disadvantages, right? Right and wrong. What is good about it? What is bad about it? ये solution तो दिया, लेकिन इसकी अच्छा ये है, लेकिन इसकी negatives ये है. जैसे बोला ना आपने, positives and negatives. So this is what you are supposed to discuss with pros and cons of each solution. Select the best possible. जैसे आपने पहले प्रॉब्लम के लिए 2 सॉल्यूशंस दिए हैं, तो यू सजेस्ट क्या दिस, बिकॉज सी डिसीजन यू विल बी टेकिंग ओनली वन, यू वोंट बी टेकिंग मल्टीपल डिसीजंस कि इधर दिस इज गुड फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और दिस इज गुड. सो यू हैव टू स्टिक टू वन डिसीजन ओनली. सो यू हैव टू सजेस्ट, रिकमेंड द बेस्ट पॉसिबल सॉल्यूशन. And this, see, directly or indirectly goes with real-time case studies also. And let me tell you, the feedback which was given, real-time cannot be taught in class. For that, you have to be there on the field, right? So real-time case studies, wapas, we have to frame it in words and then we have to discuss. So all these case studies you can take as real-time only. Real-time ke liye to you have to be in that particular situation and ultimately its conclusion. So let us go to the case study which I have already circulated with you. Is it visible to all of you? Is the case study visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who is going to read it out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, somebody who can do it. Who can read it out? This is a case study I have given in your today's feedback and assignment and attendance. So this is what we are going to discuss today. Just follow the steps which I have just narrated to you, just which we have discussed right now. Who is going to read out this much?
Sir, can I?
Yes, please go ahead. Please introduce yourself, because right now I cannot see. Right now I can see this screen only, the screen which I am sharing. Is it Achal?
No, sir, Devika.
Devika, yeah. Please go ahead. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, you can exactly. Just a moment. Devika is here. Okay, fine. Yeah, you can start.
Anshuman was a very industrious sales executive with a small herbal cosmetics manufacturer. He earned a good salary and commission on the business. He brought forth the firm and had very good command over the Delhi market, for which he had virtually become indispensable. He was aware of the enviable position he held in the firm and thought aloud. The key to success in any business is the sale of its product. The beginning and end of the business cycle is nothing but sales, and other people working in the factory to manufacture products are mere cogs in the business machine set in motion by salespeople. So why carry these burdens and sell get only a tiny share of the prosperity of the firm? Instead, others enjoying the fruit of my labor. Why should I not start my own business? Should Anshuman take a leap? Give reasons for your answer.
Yeah, excellent. Only see, this is Mayor. People working in the factory to manufacture products are mere cogs, right? I'll be explaining this word. Cogs means something like mechanical or machines. They are just part of the show. That's all. They are not contributing much, right? This is what Anshum is feeling. Can anybody paraphrase the entire case? Now this is what we call as paraphrasing. आपको क्या समझा? Can anybody tell me? In you can do it in Hindi also if you are not comfortable in English, but English is always welcome. In nutshell, what have you followed? What exactly Anshuman is doing and what exactly he's thinking? See, this is what he's thinking and thought aloud. That means वो सोच रहा है अपने मन ही मन में कि this is what I should be doing, right? So can somebody tell me what is the crux of the story? What is the story all about? This is called as paraphrasing. Now you can use word from this case, but it has to be in your own words. I mean, I'm to say you can reframe the sentences. Anybody who can do it? Yes. All of you followed the case? See, you have to open up. Don't be shy. I do not know what is the reason, but this type of thing is not going to help a student, at least from a MBA. MBA background में कैसा होता है? You have to be very interactive. At least if you want to lead some team. Otherwise, followers के लिए ठीक है. Just follow the instruction, listen, and do the job. But if you really want to achieve certain good position in any organization, or for that matter, see, this case is about entrepreneurship. What Anshuman sir, what is indus? Yeah, see, we'll be coming to all those things. In nutshell, क्या समझा आपको? जो नहीं समझा, I'll be explaining that. Fine. Somebody has asked this question. What is indispensable? Indispensable. Somebody you cannot beat actually. Somebody who is at the top, who is the leader, right? Who is the boss, who dictates all those things, has virtually become indispensable. That means there is no replacement for him. In other words, he is the person who is the topmost in that particular job. See, this is indispensable. Cogs मैंने बता दिया. Cogs means he is thinking that other peoples are like machines. They are not contributing much to the organization growth, and this is he was aware of the inviable position. Enviable means envy जो बोलते हैं ना कि jealous. Because since he was performing good, that's why people were jealous of him. This particular word, envy is the word. You must have heard onidame, the neighbor's envy. Enviable, right? So this word is enviable, which means jealous. I think these were the three difficult words: indispensable, invariable, right? Envy you remember as envy, envy, invariable. And cogs means somebody who just act mechanically. They are not sort of contributing much. They are just a part of the show. That's all. Like we have in movies, actor and actress who forms the main theme of the picture, but there are extras. अपन बोलते हैं ना इसमें रहते हैं आपके dance. Whenever songs start, there are plenty of extras who are just cogs. They are just feelers. वो नहीं भी रहे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. That this is what he wants. That this is what he thinks. They are just cogs. They are just feelers. They are just part of the show. They are not heroes and heroines. They are not the main actors. Right? Any other word which you have not followed in this? Leap. Should Anshuman take a leap? Give reason for your answer. Leap means jump. Should he start his own business and not start my own business? This is what he means, right? So leap का मीनिंग है कि उसने खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. It is very simple case study. Let me tell you, somebody was talking about real life. Those are very, very complicated, and for that you have to start somewhere following this type of simple case study. See, this case study I have deliberately taken from NCERT book. I should be acknowledging that, and this is meant for 12th standard. Now we are in MBAs, right? We are doing in postgraduate course. So this has to be sorted, or this can be solved by 12th standard student who is doing 12th in business studies. This particular book is entrepreneurship development. This particular chapter is about that, but the book I have already circulated. Book is meant for 12th standard. But if you start from small, you can handle complicated things, and doing it real time is going to be very, very complicated. Let me tell you, for that you have to first of all complete your MBA, get plenty of experience. You might get failures also at a time, but from there you are going to learn, and you are going to be then expert in solving real type. It's not like you jump in the market and you start solving like James Bond, like you know everything. It is not practically possible. You have to learn. Okay, is the thing clear? So just
Yes, sir.
yeah, such somebody can paraphrase
Yes,
what
sir.
exactly is the theme and what exactly Anshuman want to do. What is happening in his organization? No, I am not going to share the case. All of you, we have gone through it. If you want, shall we go through it again, or is it okay?
So it is okay.
Okay. So Devika, can you just paraphrase it out? Can you just tell me whatever
Yes,
you are
sir.
from? हिंदी में
Sir,
बताइए.
Anshuman was working in some company.
Right.
Sir, he was doing hard and he was the main leader there.
Right.
He was thinking that um,
Yes.
sir, am I audible?
Yes. 100%. Please go ahead.
Sir, he was thinking that why should
Devika, can you put on your camera? Yep. See that will build your confidence. See, it's not that for just let the other people see you, and this is how you're going to develop a confidence. Yes, very good, excellent. Yeah.
Sir, he was thinking that why should I only take in somebody's company? He was working hard over there and he was not satisfied with his salary. So he was thinking why should he not start his own business?
Okay, fine. So, what was he thinking? He was thinking like he is the only hero, sort of, right? And other people
Yes,
are just doing their job. And to say he's making all the efforts, and what he was thinking was sales is everything, right? Because he was a salesperson. He was having a good knowledge of which market. He was having a good knowledge of which market. कौन सा market बताया गया? Anybody can recall? Where was he working?
Herbal cosmetics.
Yes, Achal.
Herbal cosmetics ऐसा कुछ.
नहीं, even I am नहीं, market I am talking which area he was working. There was a
sir,
city.
Delhi market.
Delhi, exactly. Good Devika, excellent. So he was working in Delhi market, and he was feeling like he is the king, right? And let me check out whether it was herbal or something else.
Yes, sir, it was herbal.
Herbal cosmetics, right? Exactly. Good. Who said that? Achal. Yeah. So Devika tried to explain. Fine. What else you can say about it? What is the core theme? What is he thinking actually? Anshuman is thinking what? That is the basic problem. वही problem है यहाँ पे केस में. The way he's thinking is probably wrong. He's not thinking in the right direction, and the chances is that he's going to fail if he start a business. This is my prediction. Now let us discuss. What do you think? Can he start because he knows the market? He can do wonderful sales. So why should he be doing a job when he's doing everything? He's selling all the goods. So why not to start his own business? What do you think? And let me clarify this particular case study is related to entrepreneurship development. Shall he be entrepreneur? Can he be a good entrepreneur? Piyush, what do you think? Kunal? Many of you are there. Unmute yourself. Don't be shy. Let me tell you.
Sir, if he is having strong capital, so he can start his own business.
Good. Exactly. First point, you got it right. What is needed? Business start करने के लिए पैसा तो चाहिए. Overnight, he cannot just quitting the job, and without money, how can he start? Right. First thing, fine. You got it right. What else? What is Anshuman good at? Anshuman किस चीज में अच्छा है? Anybody? Why are other people, mom? Why are...
Self-executive.
Pardon me? Yes, Achal?
Self-executive.
Sales executive. He is good in sales and marketing, right? Because he knows the market well. That is part of marketing. And selling is something where you actually sell the product to your distributors, retailers, or maybe to the end users. So he is good in that particular domain. He is good in maybe he is good in communication. That's why he has a जो पकड़ बोलते हैं ना, मार्केट पे पकड़ है उसकी. He is having a hold on the market, right? He is good in sales. And what are the qualities that are required by the entrepreneur? सिर्फ sales करने से होगा? Entrepreneur, if you want to start your own business, what are the qualities that you require? First quality is rightly said by Devika. It comes as a quality. You should have capital, or at least you should have knowledge to how to acquire a capital. Loan कहाँ से लेना है, या कौन फंड करेगा मुझे? जैसे we talk about startups and all that. Startups people, even they are entrepreneurs. They don't have a capital, but they have the courage. They have the capabilities to gather, to collect the capitals, funds from other people. They can convince other people, like, this is a startup, the idea is going to work, so please fund me. So no, not everybody is having a capital, or not all sort of businessmen start with a capital. Even if capital is not there, you can start a business, taking a loan or maybe asking for somebody to fund you. So that can be sorted out, but capital has to be there. Rightly pointed out by Devika that you need to have capital. वो कैसे लाना है, that is your problem. Whether getting a loan, whether borrowing from somebody, your friend, relative, or maybe your father, mother, whoever who can fund you, or getting angel investors बोलते हैं जैसे startups के लिए. If somebody wants to fund you, they like your idea, they know you have the competencies, then probably they will fund you because they have the faith in you. They know that you are competent enough, that your idea will click and you will get returns, so that whatever is invested, you will be giving good returns to that particular investor. So capital is one. What else is needed by an entrepreneur? Anybody? Put yourself in the Anshuman shoes. आपको कॉस्मेटिक, हर्बल कॉस्मेटिक का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, तो सिर्फ सेल करने से होगा कि और कुछ आपको नॉलेज लगेगा? कौन से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स लगेंगे? What type of traits you will require? The answer is very simple. Advertisement is again part of marketing and sales. We'll club it together. Promotions, advertisement, that will come when you have a product ready. So if you want to start your own business, what other capabilities and capacities you will require? क्या लगेगा? Yes, and Piyush, Abhijit.
Sir, manufacturing technique.
Exactly, that is what I want. सिर्फ सेल्स ही नहीं होगा ना. If you want to start your own business, you should know what sort of machine will be required, or what sort of process and techniques. हो सकता है मशीन की जरूरत नहीं, but you need to have the knowledge of processes so that you can have a good quality with the bare minimum cost. If you do not have knowledge, then probably you have to hire people who have the knowledge, and it's going to be expensive. If for an entrepreneur, he should have quality. Yeah, Kunal, quality comes with the production, right? So you need to have, indirectly, let me tell you the answer. Answer is very
Business
simple.
strategies.
Yes, Achal, yes. You are not audible.
Business strategies.
Yeah, see, I'll put answer in one simple sentence. You need to have knowledge of all the domain. Maybe you should not be master in all, but थोड़ा knowledge सबका चाहिए. एक आधे डोमेन में पकड़ चाहिए आप, तो ही you can be a good entrepreneur. आप बोलोगे यार फाइनेंस तो मुझे आता नहीं है. Somebody hire a financial manager and he'll take care. All rounder. Nishan has rightly said. He need to be all rounder. Now give me example. A cricketer who is a all rounder cricketer.
Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja. What do he know? He know bowling, batting. He's a good fielder. What is he? Hardik Pandya. Excellent. So इनकी वैल्यू ज्यादा रहती है. Those who are all rounder, probably their career lasts longer than person who is probably only a bowler, only a batsman. Again, not a thumb rule, but if you are all rounder, probably you will get luck somewhere or the other. नई बैटिंग में मिला इस बार, तो बॉलिंग करके विकेट्स ले लिए या कैचेस अच्छे ले लिए. If you are a wicket keeper like our earlier captain Who was he?
MS Dhoni.
Dhoni, right? So if you are somebody like Dhoni, then possibly your career will be better than others, because possibilities that you are going to perform there. As a wicket keeper, you can perform if you have not scored good. So for entrepreneur also, you need to be somebody like Dhoni, who can lead the entire team, who is cool minded, who is not hot tempered. जो बोलते हैं अपन यार ये नहीं हुआ वो नहीं है, वैसा नहीं चलेगा. You have to keep your cool and you have to develop a strategy. Like Achal has said, strategy is part of all this thing. But for an entrepreneur, the characteristics or the qualities that are needed is that you need to be all-rounder. In our business management terms, you need to have knowledge of all the domains, which include HR. You should be able to hire good people, because as an entrepreneur, you are the whole soul of the organization. You have to think to whom to hire, to whom to keep, whether to keep that person or not, whether you really need that person or not, right? How many people you need? Really, you need 2 people or 4, or you need 100 people to run that business. अभी हायर करना है या 2 साल बाद हायर करना है. This all the strategy, that plan should be there in back of your mind. सिर्फ कागज पे लिख के नहीं होने वाला. It should be there, framed in your mind, so that you are very firm about the direction in which you want to go. You know your goals, you know your objectives. So these are the characteristics that are needed. And what is happening with Anshuman? What are the qualities he are having? What is he thinking about other people? Yes. I think Snail, you can just start unmuting yourself, can provide opportunity, because reading what happens once you put a message, that goes away very early. I think as an entrepreneur, he can provide jobs for others, generate business opportunity for others. No, my question is whether he can be a successful entrepreneur. He's thinking. But first thing, what we have discussed right now is that the person should have knowledge of all the domain. Right? And
Yes, sir.
is he having the knowledge of all the domain? Anshuman, what do you think from the case study? Unless and until you have knowledge of all the, at least you need not be master, as I said. You can be master of one area, like he can be master of that particular product, like R&D, for example, right? He may be good in knowing what is good for the customers, maybe because he's salesperson, you know. But if he do not know what are the ingredients that are required to prepare a herbal cosmetic, possibly the person who is he's going to hire may fool him around by saying like, this is the combination and this may work good, but this may go very costly, and this is going to be good for the customer, probably, which may not need not be, which may be or which may not be, right? So you have to think. You have to have at least superficial knowledge of all the domain, so that nobody fools you around. All of you getting me what I'm saying? ध्यान में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my question remains whether he should start his. See, this is the question asked. Let me again share the screen with you. Should Anshuman take a leap? Means, should Anshuman start his own business? Give reason for your answer. What do you think? Yes or no? Simple as that. Yes or no? How many of you say yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What is the reason? Why do you think he will succeed?
Because sir, he's an entrepreneur, so he can provide jobs to others or generate business opportunity to others.
No. So they see the case is very simple. In fact, and this is made, as I said, for 12 students. Yes, Nishant, you want to contribute something?
Sir, he is not satisfied.
No, fine. He is not satisfied with the job. That is true. He wants to quit because he feels that he is the only person who is performing in that organization. All are just producing the product and he is doing the sale. So why not to, and why should he contribute to the organization? That is what the case says. Like he's feeling like he's generating the profit for the organization. बाकी लोग तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, and they are sharing my profit. Then why should not I start my own business and keep all the profit? Why to share it with other people? Do you think this strategy is right? See, the case study may look very simple, but they are not that simple. अगर आपको बोला गया कि आप you quit your job, you are getting salary, okay, everything is good happening, you are hero in your organization, then quitting a job and starting a business, this decision may go wrong. And I'll tell you, if he's not a good entrepreneur, let me give give you this hint also. The case clearly says that he is not a good entrepreneur. Selling in itself is not entrepreneurship. It is just part of, one of the important part, I would say, of the entrepreneurship. You need to be good communicator. You need to be a seller. Fine, okay. But what about the rest of the part? Right from procuring the raw material, establishing the unit, hiring the people, looking after the finance, all these things has to be managed by Anshuman himself as an entrepreneur. Provided if you take a partner, that will be a different issue, right? He can start with 2 or 3 partners. That is also possible. But the initiative is Anshuman's. He is taking the initiative that we have to start a business. Now he is the leader, and the onus or the responsibility lies on him to run the business successfully. I think he won't be a good entrepreneur. Can anybody justify? Can anybody challenge me? Why do you think he can? And as I said, selling and marketing is just one component, maybe an important component. I would say very, very important component for any business. Fine, I agree, true. But what about the quality of product? What about the process? What about the availability? What about coming up with new updations or new changes in the products as demanded by the market? If somebody says, fine, we'd like to have such and such type of soap, so will they be able to manufacture will they be able to meet the targets? अगर market में demand आती है तो will they be able to do it? And if they are not able to meet the demand, then possibly they are going to fail, because the unsatisfied customer will go away somewhere else. आ रहा है कि ध्यान में आप लोगों? थोड़ा case again I'll discuss. I'll again share it with you. Can somebody just read it out? Now the things will get very clear to all of you. Yes, who can do it for me now? Is the case visible?
No, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Just a minute. I have not shared. Just a minute. I'll share it again. Somebody read it out again. Okay. Now is it? Yeah. Is it? It must be visible now. Yes. Who will do it now? Not Devika. Somebody else.
Can I, sir?
Yes. Please go ahead. You see, you people are always welcome. Those who are going to come forward, and let me guarantee one thing: you people are going to succeed. जो लोग आगे आ रहे हैं ना, वो definitely succeed करेंगे, because this courage you have to make. Otherwise, you are not going to succeed. Chance मिल रहा है ना, तो why not to grab? आगे जो बोलते हैं ना, वो buttering करना भी गलत है. Just to show off that I am good is not. Since it's open opportunity to all of you, somebody has to come forward, and one who is grabbing the opportunity is definitely going to succeed in her or his future life, professional life. Yes, please go ahead. And you can start with introducing yourself, so that everybody comes to know. Yes.
Hello, my name is Achal Atmode.
Yes.
Anshuman was a very industrious sales executive with a small herbal cosmetic manufacturer. He earned a good salary and commission on the business he brought for the firm, and had a very good command over the daily market, for which he had virtually become indispensable. He was aware of the enviable position he held in the firm and brought aloud. The key to success in any business is the sales of its products. The beginning and end of the business cycle is nothing but sale, and other people working in the factory to manufacture products are mere cogs in the business machine, set in motion by salespeople. So why carry this burden and get only teeny share of in the prosperity of the firm? Instead others enjoying the fruits of my labor. Why should I not start my own business? Should Anshuman take a leap? Give reasons for your answer.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Is the thing clear now? I'll stop sharing. Let us discuss again. Now, qualities of entrepreneurship. Anshuman, fine. He knows. See, he is good in interface. I am to say, he's an outward person, right? Outbound, जो बोलते हैं ना. He feel like he doesn't have any concern with how people are manufacturing the product, who is managing the finance, who is looking after appointment, recruitment, right? He feels like everything will come through sale. Sale हो रहा है तो company है. Fine, true. To a large extent, it is true. But what about why sale is happening? Can anybody tell me? Sale क्यों हो रहा है? Is it only because of Anshuman? What is your answer to this? Why is sale happening?
Sir, product must also be good.
Yeah, exactly. Because possibly the quality of product should be good. It should be better than the competitors. That's why people are liking it. It's not only because Anshuman can talk good. बहुत आपका इंग्लिश हाई-फाई है, आपका हिंदी अच्छा है, यू कैन टॉक. हरैन भी दिल्ली में काम कर रहा है तो हो सकता है हरियाणा से बॉर्डर से लगा हो या फिर यूपी के बॉर्डर से लगा हो. भैया वाली हिंदी है उसकी, तो बढ़िया बात कर ले रहा है और लोगों को कन्विंस कर रहा है. ठीक है, एक बार कन्विंस कर लेगा, पीपल विल पुट ऑन दो क्रीम ऑन द फेस और मे बी अ सोप. बट व्हाट if the product is rubbish, it's an inferior quality product, will they again purchase that product? Possibly no. दूसरी बार अंशुमन जाएगा तो शायद उसको वो गालियां देंगे, अरे क्या बेच दिया तूने, वो तो साबुन लगाने से खुजली आने लगी, राइट? There can be n numbers of reaction. So possibly why sales is happening, because first thing should be very clear, which is not mentioned here, but this you can make not an assumption, this is for sure, because the product is good, that's why the sale is happening. Maybe it may be on higher price also, which is again not mentioned. So these are the assumption you can always make in a case study, that we can say the product is pricing is competitive, right? You can make an assumption, that's why sales is happening. You can make that also. You can say like no other product is available. You can think that way also कि कोई product ही नहीं है उस type का market में. That's why there is a monopoly. Again, that is also a possibility, right? But cosmetic, we all know there are plenty of companies which are producing products. It is not something like unique things which his company is doing. Herbal, which we all know. So there is no need to make an assumption also. But you can put up your assumption that there must be a numbers of companies who are producing similar type of product, and making similar type of products is not very difficult. For example, let's just take an example of Thumbs Up. Thumbs Up, they say like they have their own formula, and it's a trade secret which they do not want to share with them. And many years Thumbs Up was the market leader. But again, there are competitors. PepsiCo is the very good competitor for Thumbs Up. They have taken a larger chunk of Thumbs Up from them. So,
Sir, Thumbs Up Coca-Cola ही है ना?
Coca-Cola, yeah, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up is one and the same, right? Now they are calling it, but earlier it was called as Thumbs Up. Now we will let us call it Coca-Cola. Fine. But ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका मोनोपोलिटिक, स्पेशली FMCG में मोनोपोलिटिकल गुड्स होती नहीं है, because this type of good can be copied, or this kind of good can be produced anywhere or very easily. There's like it is not something like pharmaceutical products where you need lot of licensing, you need lot of R&D, right? And you can make a claim on, you can patent that particular thing. Especially FMCG good like soaps and all sort of things that goes in a retail shop, kirana shop. तो बहुत सारी चीजें तो डुप्लीकेट बोलो या उसके मल्टीपल कॉम्पिटिटर्स आ ही जाते हैं, because there is nothing great about those products, right? Maybe people can come out with more superior product, your competitors, because they know this is what people are liking. They'll add on something to that product, value addition, and they'll serve to the customer. Customer will be more delighted to have a product even with a bit of a higher pricing, right? So we can make assumptions that there are n numbers of players present in the market, which probably is not going to be wrong, right? So why the sales is happening? So you can say that it's happening because the quality of product is good and maybe the pricing is good. Packaging भी अच्छा हो सकता है. You can think in terms of 7 P's. जो marketing के 7 P's है, product, price, place, its availability is good, right? Distribution, place को distribution ही बोलते हैं. Promotion, then people, like brand is also trusted. Yes, Nishan, it is a part of product. जब product display होता है, maybe its display is good in the retail shop. So there are n number of factors which are responsible for sale of any product. Advertisement, somebody has said, it is part of promotion. 4 P's which are very important: product, price, promotion and place. Place is availability. Product तो बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन यहाँ से मैं रह रहा हूँ, I am staying in Prashant Nagar and it is available in Wadi. So possibly I'll purchase somebody which is substitute if it is available close by. I won't be going to Wadi every time because it is available there only. Exceptional cases are like cars and all this thing where I make a purchase maybe in 5 years or 10 years. So I will go down. But product like FMCG, if it is not available within 1 kilometer periphery of my residence, then probably I'll pick up a substitute. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता because you know that साबुन आज डेटॉल नहीं यूज किया था, I may use Lifebuoy or probably anything else, or I might not use soap also. आज नहीं अवेलेबल है तो I won't be going outside. Probably I'll use shampoo or I'll substitute it with कुछ भी लगा सकता हूँ, बेसन लगा लूंगा. So it's see, FMCG, there people are not that much loyal. Why I'm giving you this example is maybe you are loyal with four-wheeler companies like you know Maruti's trusted name or you know Tata's trusted name and comes in your budget, right? Mercedes-Benz is very good, but it is not reachable. So, but it is not the case with FMCG. So Anshuman's thought are wrong. That what he is doing is great for the company. Maybe he is doing good, but it is not his sole contribution. What exactly I want to pinpoint out is people who are sitting inside producing that product, who are putting their brain, are equally responsible for the success of product. Do you agree with my statement or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you got
Yes,
you got the point. What exactly I want to say? Because this product is herbal. They have mentioned herbal cosmetic product. It can be anything. It can be facial cream. It can be soap. It can be treatment also for acne or maybe anything else. We do not know. They have not specified. You can make an assumption also. Like as I said, it can be a soap. It can be anything. Herbal product can be like you take sort of for immunity increasing your. It can be like Chyawanprash, for example, right? Chyawanprash is also herbal product. It need not be related to cosmetic. I think they have mentioned what cosmetic. I think they have mentioned cosmetic. Yeah, herbal cosmetic. So you have to think from that direction. So you can make an assumption that they are producing such and such products. So accordingly, you can give a direction to your case. All of you getting me what I'm saying? आ रहे क्या ध्यान में?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just following. Are you really enjoying, or just because I'm asking you, you are saying yes? Are you really following it? What exactly I want to say? Yes, Nishant. See, these are very simple case studies. If I start taking 2 page or 3 page, the things are going to be very complicated. अपन सिर्फ अपने को what we have to learn is how to. Sir, it's interesting. Okay, Abhilash, right? Fine. Thank you so much. See, that's why I said while solving a case study, you have to put all your brains. Like you need to be a policeman, you need to be a CID. We have already discussed that. You need to be a judge, you need to be an advocate, you need to be what? You need to be everything, right? You need to be a good manager to think from all possible direction. Because clues सारे नहीं दिए जाते हैं इसमें cases में. You have to make an assumption somewhere. जैसे पुलिस ऑफिसर assumption करते कि maybe that person was there. That is assumption. That is a hypothesis. They have to prove it. Either they accept it or reject it. Somewhere down they work on it and they say no, we were wrong. That person was not present around that particular scene. But after understanding, Nishant, I am not getting what you are saying. Yes, Nishant? And see this interesting, sir, but it's complicated. No, what is complicated about it? ऐसे तो see day to day भी अपने सामने से cases आते हैं. This is business cases and we are learning business management. बहुत सारे cases आते हैं, like for example day to day इसमें COVID situation is going on and you need what? You need to travel from here to there. Lockdown is there. And you don't have vehicle, your vehicle got puncture. It can be a simple case. What to do next? Whether to go walkie because the place is 6 kilometers away from my residence. What is the solution? It can be as simple as that. Call a friend or maybe take an alternative because the assumption can be you have another bike. After understanding the case. Yes, see, you have to understand it. Then and then only it become interesting. And face of it, the case looks very simple. Anshuman is highlighted as hero. So it feels like he can do anything. He can do wonders. But thing is not like that because his thought says that other people are like cogs. Like they are just part of the show. They are not contributing to the success of the organization. His thoughts are negative. You have to go into that depth. What exactly is he thinking? And once he start, possibly he have to do everything. He has to manufacture his own product. Right? Entrepreneur का meaning होता है कि somebody who is producing and selling it. So he wants to start his own business. complicated with clues and questions. Yes, see, clues I am providing, that is. See, cases has to be discussed like this only, and there has to be participation. आप बोलोगे कि सर जैसा लेक्चर फाइनेंस का होता है वैसा आप हमको बता दीजिए फॉर्मूलेज एंड ऑल एंड विल सॉल्व इट. इट इज नॉट दैट वे. यू हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम ऑल डायरेक्शन एंड पॉसिबली अ सिंगल पर्सन कैन नॉट डू इट. दैट्स व्हाई वी वांट पार्टिसिपेशन. मे बी I do have the in-depth thing. I know the case very well, but God knows your direction may be something very different and which can be very interesting, right? But the theme of this case is that possibly he is not going to succeed because he thinks sales is everything, which is not the true case. Take the example of pharmaceutical. Just now I have given that. So pharmacy mein to all of you know, if the product is genuine, if it is priced very well, then possibly people will take that particular product. If it is prescribed by the doctors because the effects are good, not because the doctor is getting a commission or maybe other ways, like I do not know how much commission are paid to the doctors and all those things. Possibly they do get it, we all know it. But what if the quality is rubbish? The doctor एक बार prescribe करेगा, patient वो complain करेगा, तो what? His reputation will go down. He won't be prescribing low quality or inferior quality drugs which do have side effects which is not at all good. So possibly बहुत heavy commission भी मिल रहा है, तो he will do it once or twice. After that, when we see this, patients are running away because they are not getting the comfort. They are not getting the advantage of the prescription. They are not getting the effects, whatever comfort or whatever what you call it, relief they should get. Relief is a good word. But the patients are not getting the relief. So why will the patient will probably change the doctor. So pharmacy is a very good example. It's not only this thing, because the quality matters a lot, especially for FMCG. I won't count pharmacy in FMCG. Many of the goods in pharmacy also comes in FMCG, like you have Zendu Balm and all those sort of products, right? Move and all those things, especially talking from point of view of cosmetic sort of things. Even like Saradon and all regular things, they are FMCG simply means the good kept on the shelves is moving every day, fast moving consumer good. इसका डेली खपत बहुत ज़्यादा है कि एक बार शेल्फ पे एक बार परचेस कर लिया तो 6 महीना नहीं लगता. डेली यू रिक्वायर्ड इट. So it is applicable to pharmacy also. Maybe not to all medicines, like specialist medicine, like injection applicable to chemotherapy or cancer patient. Maybe the sales might be once in a week or twice in a week. Who knows where the location of that pharmacy is. But FMCG do apply to pharmacy. But again, everything comes back to the quality of product. एक बार आप जम के मार्केट कर ले सकते हैं. You can do plenty of advertisement. People will come and try. But once they find that your product is rubbish, they won't be turning back to you. It is very simple. And it applies to everything, right from your mobile phone to your laptops, even to your service providers like telephone. Jio लेना है कि इसका नेटवर्क अच्छा है, right? Who is offering you the good price? Who is giving you good data? And are they overcharging you? So a lot many factors come into picture. It's not only sales. It is the quality which you are offering to the customer and at what price. That ultimately matters. And who are the competitors and what are they doing? But first important thing is how good your customers are. I'm to say how satisfied they are with that particular product. If they are satisfied, then the salesperson is just a postman. He'll be just picking up the orders and giving it to the retailers. His job is very simple. I'm to say he's not contributing much. The way Anshuman is feeling, possibly he is totally wrong, because that product may be having monopoly, or secondly उसके competitors भी होंगे, but they are not up to the mark. So Anshuman is probably wrong. This is what I personally feel. So I want answer to this question. You are supposed to solve in the assignment. I'll be posting this link, and one more case study I've given is related to finance. For that, you have to read out the PDF which I have circulated on our group. I've circulated one PDF. It does have theory. See, without theory, this cannot be. See, ultimately, you should have the framework. You should know the framework. In what environment you are going to take a decision. उसका knowledge ही नहीं होगा तो you cannot take a good decision. And that's why we are studying MBA, to get the knowledge so that you can take quick decision and good decision, effective decision. So reading is very important. Participation is very important. Okay then, all of you getting me what I'm saying? आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट अ
Yes, sir.
लिंक. ओके,
Yes, sir.
एनी डाउट फिर यही क्लियर कीजिए. You can always post on the in the feedback section, but I want you to come in the open platform. You can criticize. You can. I am open for criticism. आप बताइए कि this is what, sir, I have followed your English. I have not followed your English. This much I have not followed. I'll entertain that excuse also. But if you just put it in, maybe I might skip that your feedback, or many time I do not follow what exactly you want to say. So open up here on this platform, make a daring, that is going to improvise your communication. सिर्फ वो feedback डालने से डालिए feedback. I won't be stopping you, but it would be very much better. It would be very good if you do it over here, one-to-one interaction. And that is what will be required. Even if you want to be an entrepreneur or you want to be a good manager, you have to interact. Without interaction, nothing will move ahead. Nothing will move forward. Am I clear? Everything is clear up till now. Any doubt, you can ask here and here. हिंदी में पूछिए, मराठी में पूछिए, चलिए. I'm open for that also. English, try to do it in English, because at least you'll get a confidence that fine, you can at least give it a try. अच्छी इंग्लिश होंगी तो nothing like that, but at least you can give it a try. और बाद में 2 साल कैसे निकल जाते हैं पता नहीं चलता, and then you feel like अरे MBA कर लिया, and then even I am not able to communicate. Why? Because you never tried for that. Somewhere down the line you have to start from zero. Maybe even if you are zero, 1.5 years is more than sufficient to master on any language. Right from zero, I would say. You can master any language in this world. I'm talking about single language. Any single language. So English तो सबको आती है यार. At least अपन, we all know, we are all habitual to it. All credit goes to Britishers, because they ruled us for so many years, and because English is a global language. Forget about Britishers. And we Indians are good in this language. We are good in Hindi. We are good in our vernacular language. Most of we are good in our vernacular language. And ये 3 language तो आनी चाहिए. Vernacular, I am to say mother tongue. Maybe somebody who is a person who is Gujarati staying in Kerala right from his birth, maybe knowing what? Malayali. Right? Malayalam. So that becomes a vernacular. Even though that person's mother tongue is Gujarati, vernacular एक language आनी चाहिए. Place where you are staying, the language which is spoken in that area. Even if your mother tongue is different. All of you getting me? Everything, or I'm making things complicated for you? Am I understandable? Whether you're following me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, follow.
Okay, very good.
So understandable.
Understandable. Okay, very good. See, in case you do not follow, you are free to stop me. और आप रोकिए मुझे कि सर ये आपका ये वर्ड समझ में नहीं है. आई एम रेडी फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. पीजी में यूजुअली नहीं करता है कोई, नहीं करना चाहिए रादर, बट आई एम ओपन फॉर द डिस्कशन. बट योर पार्टिसिपेशन, दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट. लेट यू गेट योरसेल्फ अनम्यूटेड, गो ऑन माइक, पुट ऑन योर कैमरा. तो उससे आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा ना. फिर इंटरव्यू कैसा फेस करोगे आप लोग? फेसिंग इंटरव्यू इज नॉट दैट इजी, बिकॉज all sort of question, anything can out of thin air, anything the other person can ask you. It can be related to your personality, it can be related to whatever you have learned in the class. He might, many interviews are case based only, so that's why the subject is very important. हर बार आपको theory नहीं पूछी जाएगी. Tell me what is the Maslow's theory, what are 12 principles or 14 principles of Teller, right? Fayol. This won't come actually. This 99% of the time it is not going to come in interview. Probably they'll put up a case. This is a situation that there is problem there in that particular market. The product is going good in one market and it's not going another. What will you do for that market? What do you feel is the problem? It can be a case put in only 2 sentences, but you have to give an answer to it. For that you need to have visualization. First thing what is required is you should be able to visualize what exactly is going wrong over there. और बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू ऐसे ही होते हैं. Those are case based interviews. वो आपको MCQs के से नहीं होने वाला सिर्फ कि आपको MCQs दे दिया, सॉल्व कीजिए and fine, you scored 100 out of 100, you are good. No, you have to take decision as a manager. So questions, possibly 1 or 2 questions you can definitely expect as case based questions in your final interviews. no matter which organization you are going for. Am I clear? So shall I end the session? See, I've given you the feedback link. Okay, I'm again going to put it, and I'm not going to circulate it on the group. Those who are present will only get it. You feel it within 1 hour, 2 hours time, but don't delay it further, because once you feel it, the timing and everything comes. कुछ स्टूडेंट है रात तक फील करते हैं, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स दूसरे दिन फील कर रहे हैं, तो वो कैसा डजंट गिव्स अ गुड पिक्चर. इवन इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ लिंक, समबडी इज गेटिंग अ लिंक, दैट इज नॉट परमिसेबल. अभी अपना सेशन हो जाता है आपका. डू यू हैव अनदर सेशन आफ्टर दिस?
नो सर.
नो ना, फाइन. सो विद इन 1 hour or 2 hours इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट टू सॉल्व. वंस एक केस तो अपन ने सॉल्व कर ही लिए. यू हैव टू पुट एवरीथिंग इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. वन केस वी हैव सॉल्व, one is related to financial management. Anything which comes to your mind, you can put it in that case. So here, put it in your own word. Just don't copy from any website, क्योंकि इसका आंसर्स आपको कहीं मिलेगा नहीं. Because answers for each of you is going to be different, and that is the beauty of case. You cannot copy from anybody else, because everybody's direction of thinking is different. Everybody's approach towards any particular situation is different. Your personality is different, the way you take decisions are different, so no answer is going to be similar. Even if I give this case to 10 lakh of people, possibly wordings and everything will differ. Maybe the direction will remain same, but the solution may differ. I have to say direction will be same, but the changes, the wording and the framing is definitely going to be different. वो इसका ऐसा फॉर्मूला नहीं रहेगा. E is equal to MC square नहीं रहने वाला. Okay, E is equal to MC square won't be the answer for any of the case. It will be different for all, because it's a relative, subjective thing. For me, the things are different. Even you can prove that Anshuman can be a good businessman. That can also be done, provided you make those type of assumptions, right? And you say you can prove it. You say like the market is there's nobody else, and if Anshuman is producing, Anshuman since he's a salesperson, and he knows that demand for such type of product is there, which his present company is not producing. That's why he want to take a decision. In that case, probably he can quit the job and he can start his own, because that assumption thing is there with you. That is a very interesting weapon that is in your hand, which you can use. Assumption. You can make all sort of assumption, provided that is not going to change the theme of the case. You are not supposed to change the theme of the case, but assumption you can always make, because Anshuman wants to start. It is not mentioned. He is good in sales and he knows that there is demand for such type of product which is not available. Can be one of the assumptions. So there you can prove also. जैसे कोर्ट में होता है ना, what advocates do, they get a culprit who is convicted. They defend him and they get him out of the court, out of the whatever allegations are made against that culprit. Because they have that art of putting their arguments properly, right? Similarly, they are capable of punishing the person who is innocent, because again, how do you put it, which is possibly not possibly, which is 100% wrong, ethically, morally, everything, legally also, which is wrong. But since advocates, they are good in putting their arguments properly, they can give direction to their cases in any direction. It's all of putting the facts and figures in front of the judge. Is everything clear? Shall we end then?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, put your attendance and put your assignment within 1 or 2 hours, max to max. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much for attending, and let us meet next time with another case study. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you and take care.